Hello, I'm Kathleen, the Director of Marketing here at Ghost, and welcome to our video series on how to create compelling video content for your e-commerce customer journey. In our last video, Jess and I talked about how more and more shoppers are requesting video content from brands and how it's become a key driver of their purchasing decisions. But it's not just about adding video anywhere. To maximize the impact of your video content, it's all about giving your shoppers the right content at the right time in their customer journey. Which brings us to today and the first stage in the typical customer journey, awareness. So during this stage, your goal is pretty simple. You want to get as many eyes on your brand as possible. Your videos here should be geared towards brand discovery and highlighting what you offer, without going in for a hard sell. During the awareness stage, your shoppers are trying to solve a problem or fulfill a need. And hey, they aren't just browsing your offering, but they're browsing your competitors and similar products. This is exactly why you need to be providing education on your offering and keeping yourself top of mind. So where should you be promoting your video content to achieve this? Let's start with perhaps the most obvious, your social channels. If you want to be discovered on social media, the discovery pages on your favorite social platforms are the perfect place to start. And keep in mind, you want to use those famous social media algorithms to your advantage. Next is your website. You are investing time, energy, and money into creating this content, so don't let it die on the social scroll. Breathe new life into it by repurposing it for your website, starting with your homepage. Now, we have the where, but if you want to know what content you should be leveraging for each of these channels and tips you should consider, be sure to click on the link and download our free playbook to video marketing for e-commerce. You can also get a head start in bringing this content to life on your website by creating your free Ghost Interactive video account. Head over to ghostretail.com to get started. We'll see you next time to chat about the next stage in the customer journey, consideration. See you soon.